What do I do if at the last minute my time is cut back? I was told I had 20 minutes. Now I'm told at the last second, hey, wrap it up in 10 minutes. Or I thought I had 30 minutes, and just as I'm standing, the organizer said, hey, we're running late. Do it all in 10 minutes. What most people do is they say, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm short on time. I don't have a lot of time. Let me be quick. They waste time talking about their time. Don't ever do that. Never talk about time. Simply use every second for maximum benefit for your audience. The other thing people do is they speak really quickly. They figure, I don't have a lot of time. Don't do that. Your audience doesn't process information faster just because you're speaking faster. And now you're speaking in a type of monotone. It's boring. So you've just given your audience another reason to do this. Don't speak faster. Instead, make quick decisions of what ideas you have are most important. Put them in priority. So if you had 5 ideas and you had a half an hour and now you have 9 minutes, focus on your 2 most important ideas. Drive those points home. Make sure the audience really understands them, truly remembers them, and then if they want more information, you can email them, they can talk to you afterwards, you can give them a handout. Far better to make one idea really conveyed in a powerful way than to just sort of skim through 5, 10, 15 ideas quickly and have it instantly forgotten.